Hello guys, welcome to Pronouncist, your pronunciation guide. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word shown on the screen, including. Both US and UK have the same pronunciation of this word, including. Now read the syllables shown on the screen naturally. In. Clue. Ding. Including. Stress clue and keep ding soft. In. Clue. Ding. Including. Stress clue and keep ding soft. In. Clue. Ding. Including. Stress clue and keep ding soft. In. Clue. Ding. Including. Practice repeatedly and you'll soon be able to say this word perfectly. The best way to practice is to repeat the syllable multiple times. The meaning of the word is to have as part of something. Try repeating this word several times to improve your pronunciation. We post daily videos on useful and commonly mispronounced words to help you speak clearly and confidently. Like this video and subscribe to Pronouncist for more pronunciation guides. Thanks for watching us.